channel. If you're here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be on my Easy Bake Oven. I just got this today and I'm super excited and I'm going to share it with you guys. So let's explore. So it has a little opening here. And let's check out what we have inside. So it says here that it's an Easy Bake Oven and it comes with a mixing and pulling tool, a pan, and an Easy Bake Oven. It doesn't come with the mixes, but I have a mix here. And I'm making some sugar cookies and chips. So I'll see you guys when I assemble it. Anything else in the box? No, Gerber? Oh, hey guys, didn't you get there? Well, I just assembled my Easy Bake Oven and I'll show you what I got. I've got my pushing spatula, my Easy Bake pan that can only be washed by hand, and my awesome Ultimate Baking Star Easy Bake Oven. And I'll see you guys cooking up some easy dishes. Got my ingredients out. Well, today we're going to be making a delicious pepperoni style pizza. So for this, we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of flour, some pints of baking powder, some milk, tomato sauce. If you want much tomato sauce, you can put a lot of tomato sauce. If you don't want too much tomato sauce, you can not put too much tomato sauce. You're going to make a thin slice of butter, slices of pepperoni, only a couple of them, some oil to grease your pan, or otherwise your pizza will stick, some grated cheese, measuring cups, and some salt. So let's get started. First we're going to do our dry ingredients, so I'm going to add my flour. You can use a spoon or a mixing tool. I'm using a spoon, so you're going to dump that all in. And now you're going to add your baking powder. I only have that much in there, not much. And now you're only going to put a little tiny pinch of salt. I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make this. So you're gonna mix it all up, and now for our wet ingredients. For your wet ingredients, you're gonna be needing some milk. So I'm gonna pour that in. After I put my butter in, I got confused. So you're just gonna. So you wanna actually let your butter soften before you do that, because it's actually much easier to do it once it's softened, because you can mix it all up when it's soft. And now your milk, only put a little bit. And now you're gonna keep mixing until it forms a dough consistency, and I'll see you guys. So now our dough is ready. It's like a baking consistency that you gotta actually use. And now we're gonna flatten it onto our tray. If your dough was too dry, you can add a little incy-bincy more milk. Or if it was too wet, you can add a little bit more flour. Now you just want to roll this out. You can use a rolling pin if you wish. I'm going to use my fingers like that. And you're going to stretch it out into your pan. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Okay guys, I've rolled out my pan. And it's nice on my pan. And now that's the fun part. You can add your sauces. As I said in the beginning, you can add as much as you want. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And now you can spread this out with your spoon. The back of it works best. You're gonna add just a little bit more. Spoonful. And you can use any sauce you want. And now you're gonna add your cheese. So I'm just gonna finish up the sauce. And when you're adding your cheese, of course I'm not gonna add the whole thing, but you can make it however cheesy you want. Remember, you guys are also, I'm not gonna use the whole thing, but you guys are just wanna use the corners here to actually give you like space for the cheesy corners. And this is actually turning out really well. You just want to flatten it out with your hands like that on the pan. And now you can, I'm going to add the whole cheese. So yeah. You're going to put your pepperoni on. You can put as many as you want. It's like as many as you want for my elastic band. Just joking, it's pepperoni. Okay, now you're going to take your oven. And since it's preheated already for 20 minutes, you're going to take the side of your pan and you're just going to pop this in where the side goes like that. And I'm just going to pop this in. that way. I think it goes this way. Okay, so I just figured out how to put my hand in, and as you see, I have this all on, my toppings, so I'm just gonna put this in, and push it. I think I have too much pepperoni. Oh, got some pepperoni left over. Put that there, and I'm gonna see if it's in there. Can't wait for that pizza. I'm so bored playing with pepperoni slices. It's really yummy. It's taking so long, you guys. Guys, the timer's up. Now I'm just gonna pull this out. Oh, that looks so good. Just gonna try to use this. Look at that. Yummy, cheesy, warm pizza from an Easy Bake Oven. Isn't that incredible? Now make sure to turn your oven up and never leave this in there. I hope you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.